As for this website, you are guaranteed free 30 kwacha within 5 days of doing simple tasks and at least 45 or 46 kwacha in 7 days after doing these tasks. So join this website fast before anything happens, and join the WhatsApp group. Link is down in the description below. And if you need more money that will help you in the future, consider joining the new cryptocurrencies which are Network and Bitcoin Satoshi. The links are in the description. If you need further help, just join the WhatsApp group. Link is down below in the description box, and I'll see you there. Contact the admin and read the group rules, and yeah, that's it. Peace. Also consider subscribing. ZED Money, thank you for 259 subscribers. Yeah, let's get to 300. Yeah, God bless. Yeah, so from here, if you're new, you have to click register, then it will take you to this page. If you don't have a laptop or a PC, a desktop, you can just use your phone. So I'm going to enter my number right now. As for here, you must enter a given code. So for me, I have it. It's 336. It's 3621. So as for here, you need to enter a password. So I'll enter my password right now. Then repeat the password on the next tab. You need to make sure the password is the same. So this takes some time. So for others it's going to be a minute, for others maybe 5. So click send verification code. It will bring success, but it usually takes longer than a minute or 5 minutes. So you need to be patient. And the other trick that you need to use for you to receive the verification code earlier or as soon as possible, if you're trying to register using the SIM card you're using right now, try getting somebody else's phone, then put in your number, then click send verification code. That way the verification code will come much faster compared to when you're using your own phone and the SIM card is using your phone. So this might take up to 1 minute or 5 minutes depending on how the network is. Yeah, so as for now I'll just wait. Yeah. So I just received the verification code on my phone. So this is how it's going to look for smartphone or Android users. But I'm using my laptop. You can use your phone. But before you consider investing any amount of money in platforms like this, first join the WhatsApp group below and inbox the admin of the WhatsApp group. I am the admin and I'll be able to share my thoughts about websites like this. Of course, you're guaranteed to make at least 30 kwacha within 5 days. And so yeah, let me just show you how to do the task right now. So you need to go here where it's written task. So currently, since I'm new, I'm on ordinary member. So I'll click there. Task please. So yeah, I'll click receive. Success, receive. And receive. So I can't receive more than 3 in one day. So if I try to receive this one, it's going to deny my access. Yeah. So now I need to go back, then go on my records, then here are the tasks I need to do. So I have to click open link. Then this will take me to either Facebook page or Facebook post or a video. Then all I have to do there is like the video or subscribe to the page, or like the page as well. Yeah, then send them a screenshot that I'd like or subscribe to the YouTube channel, Facebook page, and other stuff. So yeah. So it seems like I already liked this video, so I'll just take a screenshot. Go back. I have to upload the screenshot that I just took. So here are my screenshots. Then probably it's the last screenshot that I took, and it's uploaded right now. So once it's uploaded, you see this notification. All you have to do is click submit. Yeah, and you need to do that to the rest. Okay, but if you need money that will help you like grow financially for a long period of time, you need to join new cryptocurrencies that are on around now. This is currently in May 2022, and some of these cryptocurrencies are launching next month and some in July. Yeah, so the best ones that are currently available right now are Bitcoin Satoshi, the next Bitcoin where you're going to earn the same Bitcoin Satoshi. You can also earn Bitcoin, the first one, which is currently over $40,000 US. You can convert it in any other currency, and you can use that money for a lot of things. Yeah, and you can also earn Ethereum. So there's also Pi Network, which is currently launching in July, but if you join earlier, it's better. If you're looking for money that will supply you for almost your entire